Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Today we're taking a look at one of the most exotic and futuristic supercars ever featured in the Fast and Furious franchise. This is the Lykan Hypersport from Jada's Fast and Furious series. Now right away, you already know this isn't your everyday supercar. This thing is rare, aggressive, and straight up looks like it came from the future. From the sharp body lines to that bold red finish, this Lykan is built to stand out in any collection. The first thing that hits you is that bright, glossy red paint. It's clean, it's smooth, and it instantly gives off that high-end exotic supercar vibe. Then you notice how low and wide this thing sits. That stance is aggressive. Sitting planted on those black wheels, it looks fast even just sitting on the turntable. And right away, you can tell this isn't your typical build. Everything about the shape of this car is sharp, angled, and designed to grab attention. Taking a closer look around the body, Jada really captured that wild Lykan design. Up front, you've got those sharp, futuristic headlights paired with a detailed lower grille and air intakes that give it that aggressive front-end look. The nose sits low and pointed, adding to that supercar feel. Along the sides, this is where things really stand out. You've got those deep side vents with black accents that break up the red and give it that exotic contrast. The body lines are sharp, clean, and flow perfectly from front to back. And then the wheels. Jada went with those black multi-spoke rims, and they fit this car perfectly. You've got that staggered look again, slightly smaller up front and wider in the rear, giving it that planted performance stance. Around the back, the design stays just as aggressive. Those angular taillights, the vented rear section, and that mesh-style grille give it a super futuristic finish. And you've even got that Fast and Furious branding on the rear plate area, which is a nice touch. Now, popping the hood on this Lykan, you've got that front opening feature that adds a little more interaction to the model. It's not a traditional big exposed engine like some of the muscle cars, but it still gives you that extra detail and makes the piece feel more complete as a collector item. Looking inside, this is where the Lykan really gets interesting, especially with those opening doors. Once you open them up, you can see that all-black interior setup which keeps that clean, performance look. You've got the bucket-style seats, steering wheel, dashboard layout, and center console all molded in nicely. It's simple, but it matches the aggressive and futuristic style of the car perfectly, and those opening doors really help bring the whole display to life. Moving to the back, this car keeps that same aggressive energy. You've got that detailed rear grille, sharp taillight design, and that low diffuser-style bottom section that gives it a race-inspired look. And from this angle, you really notice that sculpted rear-engine cover area, adding even more to that exotic supercar feel. As it spins, that red paint catches the light from every angle, and those sharp body lines start to pop. The black wheels, the side vents, the aggressive stance, everything works together perfectly. And when you open those doors up on the turntable, that's when it really becomes a display piece. This is one of those cars that looks good from every single angle. Overall, this Lykan Hypersport from Jada's Fast and Furious line is a standout piece for any collection. It's exotic, it's aggressive, and it's definitely something different compared to your usual muscle cars. If you're into supercars or Fast and Furious builds, this is one you're gonna want on your shelf. So that's all we have for today, folks, but stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing you this 1989 Ford Mustang GT from Jada's Fast and Furious series. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go on and cruise to our other cool videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.